Hey YouTube, Cartoon Mark here. Let's do another cartoon of, let's try Felix the Cat. He's easy. Why don't you follow along? Grab your paper and pencil and here we go. Alright, let's start with a circle. There you go, you're halfway done. Just draw some lines for the arms. The hands are going to be little shapes like that for now, no pressure. The little belly, the leg. This guy's real simple to draw. You should be able to get this. If I can do it, you can do it. Alright, now the face. Big nose. The eyes are closed and happy. Alright. Big ear there, big ear there. Tongue. You can darken this in, color it in if you want. This would all be black, you know, just to make it stand out, just for illustration's sake. See, there you go, now he's looking like him. And you can always clean up with your eraser. Like this. There we go. Actually, I can hear my cat, Rocco, trying to get out here. He's over by the door trying to get out. He knows I'm out here. Those cats are something. All right. Now, follow along the hands. Don't get worried. Easy, step by step. One bump for the thumb. Do the thumb like that. Get that pinky going. Middle finger is always bigger, and there you go. See, let's do the same thing on the other hand here. This hand got a little long on me, so I'm going to shorten it up. Felix the Cat, I think he's from the 1950s. All right, little bump for the thumb. All right. There. It's kind of wonky. But, who cares? Maybe that's a little better. And I think that's it for Felix. And then you color the rest of this in black. That's a quick Felix the Cat. Hopefully you can see that in under 3 minutes or so. All right. Thanks, guys.